Hello children, we have to begin with lesson number 3 in computer theory. Lesson 3rd in computer is log on to Access, MS Access. This chapter will be in theory portion, computer theory portion. Before we start with MS Access, let us know about what is Access. MS Access is a type of database. It's a sort of database. Now let us understand what is database. Database is an organized way of storing information. Whenever we have huge amount of information or whatever amount of information we have, when that information is stored in an organized way, which helps us to access quickly and efficiently, that is called database. Let me give you one simple example. As in our classes, we have class register. In that class register, there are names of students written in alphabetical order. So writing names of students in alphabetical order is it's an example of database which is organized. It is organized in a particular way, means the information is organized in a particular way. What way it is organized here? In alphabetical order. Why names are kept in alphabetical order? So that the search of information becomes quickly and efficient. Suppose if I have to search about a student name Daksh, so definitely I have to see after C alphabet. Why? Because all names are written in alphabetical order. So whenever we talk about systematic way of storing information in an organized way means in very nice way, so that the access of information is quickly and efficiently, that is called database. There are many more examples for database. Our telephone diaries, personal addresses, diaries, dictionaries. These are all examples for database. Remember children, all databases help in performing adding database, updating database, sorting of database, editing database and deleting database. Now adding database means you don't have to add any other thing to database. Suppose if I have my rough class register and I have to add one new student's name, so definitely I have to add it in alphabetical order. So I have to insert it somewhere in between. Now order is disturbed. This is the problem in manual work. If I have database on computer, editing becomes very easy of any sort of information. So adding any information, updating information, sorting information, editing information or deleting any information from the database, from the stored information, it becomes very easy in database. More or less you can say that database is a sort of file. It's a sort of file which is arranged in very systematic and organized way. Anyhow, nowadays we have computer, but in previous days it was done manually. All work was done manually. So maintaining thousands and hundreds and thousands of records was very challenging. And then after, if any editing is required in the information, that was little tedious job. So now we have computerized way of storing information systematically, that is called database. There is one term here, DBMS, database management system. Why are we going to use database management system? Because it saves our time and energy. Moreover, to a great extent, it reduces the chances of errors creeping into the database. Therefore, data handling using DBMS becomes fast and efficient. As shown on the screen, very simply, Microsoft Access is an information management tool that helps you store information for reference, reporting, and analysis. MS Access helps you analyze large amount of information and manage related data more efficiently than Microsoft Excel or other spreadsheet applications.